if you want to see how to create this look, I mean, this is on a mannequin head. It is a little bit tricky to make it look, you know, decent. But yeah, if you want to find out how to get this look on your clients using a really simple eye styling technique of 3 lengths and then adding 1 more in right at the end, then please keep watching. On this mannequin, I have decided to use 11C, 14D, 13C, and then right towards the end, I'm going to start dotting in some 15Ds. So ignore this little section here. That won't matter once the lashes go on. So before I start, this is quite a difficult thing because I have a camera right in front of my face, so it's a bit difficult to actually see and get perception properly. So you might see a few dodgy fans going on here, but literally just because I can't see very well. So what I'm going to do first is keep it really simple, and I'm going to go 11C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go twice through with 11C. That's it. After that, I'm going to go through with 13C all the way through 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And obviously, as we're getting down in this section here, I am going to drop it down. So don't worry, I'm not going to have like big 13s up here. And then I'm going to go 14D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to go 11C through twice. 13C twice. 14D twice. And I'm just going to do that. That's all I'm going to do. And then right towards the end, I'm going to start darting in some 15Ds. So I'm using a 0.06. And that is going to allow me to pick up a few more than I actually normally would with a 0.07. So 1. And I'm not bothering with thinking about lashing in layers, eye styling as in what kind of shape this person's eye is. This is literally just so that you can see how simple it is to create these wispy, uneven looks. Where's it gone? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do 6 here. So just in case anybody is wondering, these tweezers I'm using are the Loft Lashes tweezers. The straight ones are coming soon, the isolation ones very soon. The Evo boot is up on my website. I'll put a link in down below. Obviously, manufacturing over in Pakistan right now is at a standstill. So, yeah, we have to be patient, I'm afraid, for this. But yeah, when it's all back up and running, I will let everyone know. One more here. So I think I said 5, but okay, it might be 6, whatever. But just as long as you'll do however many that your glue can stand you to do. So like your speeding. If your glue's quite slow, then do both eyes at the same time, or if that's just how you work anyway, like, not a problem. This is just how I like to do it. This is how I work. I always do one eye at a time. Okay, so there's my 2 lines of 11C. So next I'm going to do 13C and the same. I'm just literally just going to go through. Like, there's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just going to go in. Right, coming down here, let's go with a 9C. So I'm dropping it right down. I can't remember where I did 2 lots. I think I did 2 lots. Okay, let's go with our 14. That was so like London, that 14. 14D. Okay, so we've done 2 lines of 11C, 2 lines of 13C, and 2 lines of 14D. Obviously dropping it down here. So I'm going to repeat that again and again and again and again and again until I'm about 7/8 of the way through, until I've just got like a few left. And then I'm going to add in my 15 Ds. So let's go, 11C. We've done 1 row of 15D. I'm just going to go again. Nice narrow fans. And they should just pop through. I'm really just looking for what's left in here now. This is taking quite a long time, this one. This girl's got a lot of lashes. Stick a 12D there. So in this inner corner I've got a mix of 9, 10, 11 C, 10, 11, 12 D. Just mixing it up, just not even like thinking about it, just picking up what feels right. Right, there are still some left in here, and I am just going to go through and fill them with 15 Ds. So the actual layering of these lashes is not good. There we go, if I hold that down, you can start to see shape. The shaping of it. So the actual mannequin lashes aren't stuck great for this one. The other eye is a lot clearer. Okay, so basically the eye that I've been filming hasn't from the front turned out very good because I didn't stick the training lashes together properly. Now that I've looked at it, there's a big gap between them, so you're not getting the effect at all. But this eye I did off camera. There's no gaps in between the training lashes, so you get the full effect. And I used the exact same method on both eyes, so you can see how it does work. You've got all the wispy sections, you've got those 15s coming through. You create a nice density when you do a shorter length against 2mm longer. And then that nice curl that comes through with the D that's in between. So simple using the 11C, 13C and the 14D and then the 15D just coming through. So simple, but so effective, so lovely and so pretty. Anyone can do that. I'm so gutted about that other eye.